Hey guys, so Santa has come early here to Cross Motors. We took this 21 diesel Gladiator and decided to drop 40-inch tires on there wrapped around Method B locks. And to be able to really do that, we got these in. This is a front and rear Ultimate Dana 60. These things are unbelievable. First time I think we've actually thrown these under a car. So stick with us. I'm going to be doing updates throughout the build to show you what all we have to do to actually be able to stuff all this into this rig. So in preparation for those huge 40-inch tires, guys, we've had to open up this wheel well quite a bit. Now this is still the stock suspension. Obviously it's getting a lift as well, but even so, it doesn't clear it. So this is a two-part fender that Jeep has put together. You get these on the Gladiator and the JL. So what you do is you drop out the bottom plastic half, and this is an American Adventure Labs LED side blinker light to replace the factory one that isn't gonna work anymore. We also went ahead and swapped out the plastic front bumper for the Mopar steel front bumper. If you remove those steel hoops and make this stubby, you can then get enough clearance for that 40. And the inner fenders are the last thing you're gonna have to switch out. So we are going to be installing these JCR aluminum ones, giving it the appropriate amount of clearance to be able to move around enough to really do whatever you want with this. So keep tuned. We're gonna be doing a few parts as we go along. We got about a 30-hour build on this one, so a lot of stuff to do along the way. Stay tuned and we'll talk to y'all soon.